Imagine locking an AI in a cell and making it your personal ghostwriter. Welcome to AI black boxes. Spoiler alert, they're crazy good at churning out stories, books, and even whole series. Okay, so what is an actual AI black box? They are basically custom AI environments where you control the rules. Think of them as AI prompt prisons. You're the warden, and your novel is the inmate. You can create these boxes in tools like ChatGPT projects, Gemini gems, and Claude projects. Each one is like a mini workspace tailor made for your book or series. You add instructions, files, and all the juicy details your AI ghostwriter needs to spin literary gold. First up, ChatGPT projects. Let's say you're writing a dystopian romance because, of course, who isn't? You start by creating a project for your book. You can upload files like your messy notes, your Pinterest worthy character pics, or even research PDFs. Then you give it custom instructions. Write in a snarky, dry tone, or focus on romance with a sprinkle of political intrigue. And just like that, the AI knows your vibe better than your best friend. Let's move to Gemini. Gemini Gems, Google's AI tool, is like ChatGPT's cooler, younger sibling. Same idea. You create a gem for each book or book series. Now, here's where it gets wild. You can upload reference images for settings and characters. Want to set your murder mystery in a 19th century mansion? Boom. Upload pics of creepy old houses. Just make sure that you clear your Google history after you're done. Gemini eats it up and spits out descriptions so vivid, you'll fill the cobweb. And then there's Claude. If ChatGPT is the brain and Gemini is the artist, Claude is the storyteller. Claude lets you break down your book by chapter or scene. You can even load full plot outlines, and it'll help you stay consistent with pacing, tone, and themes. Think of it as your co writer who never argues, never sleeps, and never misses a deadline. Take that, writer's block. Here's the $1 million question. Do they work? I threw the same prompt in all three tools, and let me tell you, the results are jaw dropping. Gemini gave me rich, moody descriptions. Claude nailed the pacing and emotional beats. And ChatGPT, the snark was so on point, I felt like I was arguing with myself. Now, let me show you a few examples of the results that I got from using these AI black box. Here's an example from ChatGPT on that dystopian romance that you're writing. Look at this. This is really good stuff. And it's all based on your custom instructions, which, by the way, you can tweak and change if you want. You can actually upload more content as well if you want to change something, or if you find that something's working well or something's not working that well, you can change it anytime that you want. Now, with Google Gemini, look at this. Here's the results we got from writing a thriller novel. Also, really good. I don't necessarily think any one of these tools is better than the other. It's really up to what you like and what you prefer. I tend to prefer ChatGPT, been using it the longest, but there's certainly nothing wrong with using Gemini, Claude, or a billion other AI tools out there, as long as they have this AI black box project kind of feature. And then we have Claude. Check out the results we got from Claude from writing this adult fantasy novel. I think it reads really great. It's not perfect. You can go in there and change and edit it. You can tweak the prompts, make something different, or edit it yourself. But look at what you get just from using these AI black boxes. So you're sold on the basics, but let's level up. These AI black boxes aren't just for pumping out stories. Let me show you a few mind blowing advanced uses for writers who want to go full mad scientist with their creativity. Let's talk about using these tools as a dialogue lab. You can create a project specifically for character banter. Load your character bios, backstories, and even personality quirks into the box. Then you start throwing them into hypothetical scenarios. For example, you could say, write a conversation where my grumpy detective and bubbly intern argue over coffee flavors or argue over a clue to the murder. The AI spits out fresh, hilarious dialogue you'd never even think of yourself. And it keeps your characters' voices consistent. It's like improv night for your novel. You could also create a plot twist generator. If you feel like your plot's running on autopilot, use an AI black box as your personal plot twist generator. You could enter a command like generate 10 shocking twists for a sci-fi romance where Earth is uninhabitable. The AI tool churns out wild, outside of the box ideas. Everything from the love interest is secretly an alien, overlord, to Earth was fine all along. It was just hidden by a massive hologram. In this case, it's like having an infinite brainstorming partner that's totally okay with your crazy ideas. Another way you can use these tools is as a world building archive. This one might be more for fantasy or sci fi folks, but world building archives can be game changers. Maybe you want to create a project called Dragonfire Saga World. You can upload maps, mythology, and world rules. Then prompt it for ideas like describe the political tensions between the frost elves and the lava dwarfs. Sounds pretty cool. Or what slang would pirates in this universe use? Frosty Scallywag? Genius. The AI not only keeps your world consistent, but it adds depth maybe you didn't even know it needed. How about using these AI tools as reader experience tests? You know that dreaded moment when you realize your big plot twist didn't land? Use the AI as a test reader. You could simply paste in a scene and ask the AI in your AI black box, does this twist make sense? In the instructions, you can create all different kinds of audience demographic. And then the AI gives brutally honest feedback, pointing out plot holes, pacing issues, or even suggesting alternative endings. You can create an unlimited number of beta readers who are always available and never ghost you. What about a personalized research assistant? Let's get nerdy for a second. All right, we're already nerdy, but let's get even more nerdy for a second. If your novel requires niche research, like the mating rituals of deep sea squid, your AI black box can compile that info and synthesize it into your story. Let's say you add a prompt like write a scene where my protagonist observes a squid mating ritual as a metaphor for unrequited love. Yeah, it's specific, but AI will nail it, and you will look like a genius to your readers. I think AI black boxes or AI prompt prisons might be the future for writers. They don't just save you time, they elevate your writing. You can focus on being creative while the AI handles the heavy lifting. I call this human AI collaboration. You can have the AI do everything for you from creating the premise to the plot outline to the character bios to the actual story itself and revising and editing. Or you can bring your own premise, your own characters, your own plot, even your own writing. And you can ask the AI to help you improve it, elevate it, or at least critique it so that you can make it better yourself. The level and intensity of your collaboration with these tools is completely up to you. But those are just my thoughts. What do you think? Are you ready to lock your AI in a box and make it your writing assistant? Let me know in the comments. AI black boxes aren't just tools, they are creative superchargers. Remember to smash that like button if you love books, AI, or just enjoy watching me geek out on both. And if you're feeling generous, drop a like to feed the algorithm overlords. It really helps. Now go lock up your AI and make it work for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.